Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Sudarshan. Today I want to talk about a story in this video because it is very interesting. Before that, if you're new to my channel, please I request all of you guys to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss my videos. Okay guys, let's begin. Yes guys, this video is about our story about a small bird which is related to penguins in Antarctica. Well, we all know that Antarctica is one of the coldest country in the world, where bears and penguins live in those climatic conditions, and the temperature of Antarctica is below 0 degree Fahrenheit and 0 degree Celsius, as well as in degree Celsius it will be about -3, -8, even -10, which means it is extremely cold, like a freezer, which is located in the freezer, which everybody would have known that, which means it is cold like an ice cream. This is what they're trying to tell. Right now, what is happening here is that a small bird is going to Antarctica from South Africa. That's the thing. Now, what for is going is that this bird's close friends and best friends needs ice cream, like strawberry ice cream, vanilla ice cream, chocolate, blueberries, and these are the fruits which birds want, which makes a small bird's friend want. So what it is doing is that this small bird is going to the Antarctica, collect some bunch of ices, bring it to South Africa to make ice creams. This is the thing. And the main point is there, it is based on its favorite type of ice cream and filling up of cones which likes. Imagine that you would have seen an ice cream where it is to say that it loves ice cream so much. It's like chocolate, vanilla, almonds, blueberries, strawberries, and etc. So this is why the small bird is going to Antarctica to collect a bunch of ices and take it to South Africa for making ice creams for his friends and its best friends. This is the story, right? Also, in filling up of ices, this ice remained the same, but benefit is that what is the month that the bird is going? It is during winter season. Winter season is one of the seasons where it is extremely cold everywhere in the world. So what this bird thought was that this is the best time we can go to the Antarctica and bring some ices, because the reason is that during the cold summer, and which is a hot weather anywhere in the world, it can visit, but it cannot bring back the ice to the South Africa because ice gets melted at a high temperature, near 150 degrees Celsius of a heat under the sun. That is the reason. So what it was thinking is that this is the exact time where, this is the exact season to bring some ices from from Antarctica to South Africa. This is the ambition in by the bird, right? In the involvement of the bird, it has done its work for the past 2 months to make the ice full in an ice cream shop, because an ice cream shopper was literally worried that he has no ice to make ice creams. was literally worried, right? So only if we have ice creams, only if we have a bunch of ices, he can make ice creams. That's the point. Now, it is saying that it requires 5 boxes of ices to give ice creams to everybody. Which means that this bird is trying to understand the concern given by the ice cream shopkeeper. He's trying to say that he needs 5 boxes of ices to make ice creams under shop rules. Right. Now, this bird worked for the past 2 months to make the ice fill. So, what happened was, as the ice got filled in an ice cream shop, there were a large number of crowds gathered at an ice cream shop. So, what is happening here is that this bird has done its job correctly by collecting bunches of ices from Antarctica to South Africa, where Antarctica are famous for ice, isn't it? Because imagine when you see an ice, if you hold that in your hand, you can even bear that. It will be as cold as your hands will be shaken automatically, which means that you are not able to withstand that cold. Now, another question is that how penguins are staying in that cold condition because they're used to it, whereas humans are not. Even a horse cannot withstand that kind of temperature in compared to Antarctica, because it is a very cold country. Whereas we all know that European country in America has snow, which is even more cold, because snow means getting more ices, which makes ice creams to shopkeeper. So suddenly what happened was, on a day there was a snow happening in the shop. A shopkeeper felt the happiness. What? Because this bird did not need to worry about bringing the ice from Antarctica, because the snow is coming in the shop, where shopkeeper will feel happy to make n number of ice creams sell to the people. This is the story. So what we are trying to learn here is that this small bird has done its job to the ice cream shopkeeper, where he has no ices to make ice creams. So this is coming to tell that this bird is one of the best birds this shopkeeper has ever seen, which means its beauty of nature is to help shopkeeper under any kind of circumstances when he needs help. It is like when a person needs help from someone, you go and help, right? This is the same thing that is done by this small bird. See, very interesting. So under this, it is appreciated that everybody in this people who are standing in the shop, in an ice cream shop, has appreciated that bird, which has done its job to save the ice cream shopkeeper, to prevent from unnecessary problems. Right. Now, it has shown that after snow, along with these 5 boxes, 30,000 ices have been filled in an ice cream shop, which means that ice cream shopkeeper is now feeling the happiness of getting the snow in his shop. That is what Spirit is trying to tell that, right? This means it is to ensure that whenever help is required, this bird will do. This is what a shopkeeper expects from a small bird, right? Also, and the mindset of the bird is that he doesn't want a shopkeeper, an ice cream shopkeeper, not to suffer from any kind of ice problems that is no ice, the ice is not working properly. All these things should not happen to the shopkeeper when the bird concerns about it. Okay guys, this is a very very interesting story which you guys never ever heard about it. Please share this video with everybody in this world so that they will be interested to learn about this. Okay guys, I'll end up this video. Hope you all find interesting. If you like, please like, share and comment this below and share with everybody. Okay, I'm signing up right now. I'll see you up in the next video. Till then, good night.